Good morning quarantine vlog. It's like 11:30 and I just finally got out of bed. I'm going to probably eat some breakfast, drink some coffee. I'm trying to get this YouTube video to upload. It's taking forever. And then I'm going to shower, get my life together, and then I need to film a YouTube video today. So if you want to follow along my day at home, might take a walk. It's so nice outside. Just keep watching. So these are the vitamins I've been taking. I've been taking this woman's multivitamin for a couple weeks now, and then I just got these collagen gummy rings, which taste like peach rings. So I know I need to be taking more, but this is where I'm starting. So I'm going to make some chocolate chip pancakes. I like to use Kodiak cakes because it just has a higher protein. So I'm going to use like a half cup of this with some milk, probably. Might mix an egg in there. And then I'm just going to add some chocolate chips. And that's it. And here is breakfast at noon. Chocolate chip pancakes, coffee. Going to eat this and see what we can get into today. All right, so I just finished filming this makeup look. You'll see that on my channel probably in a couple weeks. I normally would have a contemporary dance class to teach virtually, but I think today, since it's a nice day, we are canceling class so everyone can enjoy time outside. So what I think I'm actually gonna do is go for a walk around my complex and then maybe do a little workout. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Cleaned out one of my closets the other day and I have all this trash to put away. So part of my workout for today is going up and down these stairs multiple times until I get all my trash out to the dumpster. So let's do that first. Okay, got all the trash taken out. All of this is stuff that I'm either donating or taking to put in my sister's garage sale that she's planning on having. So, okay, so all the trash is taken out. I've got my water. This water bottle is from Target. I'll link it down below. But yeah, so we're just gonna walk around the complex for a while and let's see how long I last in this heat. So I just finished walking. I walked for like an hour. It felt great, but it's hot as fuck outside. But finished my water, gonna fill this up and probably eat something and relax for a little bit. So I'm making some grilled cheese right now. I'm not sure what else I'm going to have, but this is it for right now. Okay, so I made some grilled cheese and some mac and cheese. And that's it for now. I'm gonna eat this. It's been a few hours. I just chilled, relaxed, watched some YouTube videos. I edited the YouTube video that I filmed today, and now I'm going to make some food. So I'm gonna show you what I'm making. Okay, so I like honestly don't know what I'm doing half the time, but I have some potatoes cut up. They are the baby Dutch yellow potatoes. I just sliced those up, put some olive oil and a couple of different seasonings like pepper, seasoned salt, Italian seasoning, and some chipotle herb seasoning in here. I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to make some of this ground turkey, and then I have this organic jasmine rice that I'm going to put with it as well. So this is what dinner is looking like. I've got the rice, the ground turkey, and the potatoes. I might add some salsa. Some hot sauce would be really good in this, but I am out. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and I'm not really sure what else I'm gonna do. So it is like 10:30 at night, and we're gonna bleach some clothes because I have like 2 or 3 of these Walmart sweatshirts, and I have like 2 pairs of these Walmart sweats. So we're gonna bleach them. I have consulted an expert, aka my best friend, and let's do this. Okay, we're going to figure out how to tie these up. I don't really know what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out. Okay, but this is not time for you. Okay, this is what I'm working with right now. We've got everything banded and ready to bleach. So we're gonna go take these to the bathtub and start bleaching. Okay, I started bleaching, so now we're just gonna wait and see what happens. Okay, I used toilet bowl cleaner with bleach, and I just like took the little nozzle and put it in the little hole, or not holes, the little things that I tied up. That's what I put it in, and then afterwards I took it and just went like this and flung it around. So that's what like those little marks are. So we'll see how it turns out, but it's already going well. I'm glad it's going orange and not gray, so that's a plus. I'm leaving this on for like, I don't know how long. Some people all the TikTokers leave it on for like 10 minutes. But then I've also been told that you can leave it on for hours. I don't know. So I've got some wine and I'm just gonna chill and look at it every 3 seconds to see if it's the color that I want. And once it is, then that's when we'll rinse it out. So we'll see how long that takes. It's the next day and I have washed the bleach set, so I'm going to show you how it turned out. This is how it looks. I really, really like it. I think it turned out really good. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.